Sis. Ang laki. Ibon. Ibon-ibon. Ibon. Sis, ano pa na yan? Ito na yung wedding gown mo. Next year.
Message muna, message.
Really? Congratulations. Thank you so much. I think yan talaga.
Message. O mula reaction.
Merry Christmas. And it's all in the card, so I don't have to say it. You know that I love you. And I miss you, Melody. And yeah, I'm so happy we're here together. My video. And yeah. I hope you like it. Open it. Okay. Open the wedding gown. Okay.
Read the card. Read the card.
Engagement.
Read the card.
Bagay. Bagay. Okay. This is, diba sis lagi akong bibigay, I always give cards but I don't write on it. So let me see. Nagabili. You're such a precious. $200. Yeah, good $200. Here's a card and may $200 daw. One for one Cedric Avenue. Hi, Kathleen. Do you want me to read it? Yes. What's up? I hope you like my series. Well done. Thank you for the gift of friendship. For past 3 years, ups and downs. Laughter and tears. We're still here and never getting tired of us being with each other. I would like to take this opportunity to say sorry for whatever heartaches I gave you. So that's all there. I'm sorry. I guess I'm forgiven, but Gail got this shit. I know you're just here all the time. I love you. God bless you. Ikaw ako, chino ka dyan. Oo, wala ng oras. Ano, isang ano yan, bus. Oh my, sis, are you kidding me? Wedding gown nga yan. Oh, my goodness. Just receive my sis, you're so funny. Sis, wedding gown nga yan. I love it. Sis, may plastic. Reason po kasi
Para maligo si Kat.
para ma-encourage siya.
Para maligo.
Every night. Naliligo naman yan. Sis, ano to? Sis, sa mata yan. Oh. Pag-ano ng eyebrows. Sis, buka mo nga. Suot mo na ngayon na. Shucks.
Maligo ka na daw, sis.
Kasi malamig sa labas. May jacket. Tapos, hindi ko sa bahay tutulog na. Pag-ligo.
Ayan. Sorry.
Sis, thank you so much. This is special. Thank you. So, para sa Boracay to. Para sa akin to.
Yay! Okay.